this is how to make the simple pipe through the wall. First of all, we can make the rotated rectangle in here to make the wall, and we can give the thickness of the wall around 150 millimeter in here, and we can click and push apart just like this. Now we can triple click and just make group, and then okay, now we can make the circle. Okay, we can make the circle in here to make the pipe and here, and then now we can right click and select the find center and select the line in here, and just click and position in here, and we can make the line in here a little bit and make on the position. Okay, just like this. And okay, and then after that, now we can make the okay, we can click this line, and we can make the 2-point arc in here on the position. Okay, just like this. Then we can select all of the line in here. Okay, and we can just select the follow me and click the follow me in here. Okay, and after that, now we can just click. Okay, triple click, right click and make group, and triple click. Okay, we can just click and select copy. Okay, and triple click this wall and edit and just paste in place. Now we can push it until to the position in here to make the hole in here. Okay, and now we can see about this pipe in here. We can set up about the camera with the field of view, and triple click the pipe and just make on the position in here to the another side in here, just like this. Okay, then now we can make the wall materials. Maybe we can use this one, and we can just select the metal materials in here. We can use this material of the piping in here, and now we can make this one. We can right click and make group and select the metal materials over there in here. Now okay, now we can make the rectangle again in here. Okay, to make the slab, the metal slab in here. Or we can make it simple. Sorry, we can okay, just like this. Double click, right click and make group. We can select the metal materials over there. Okay, just like this. Then now we can triple click. Okay, we can click and just copy. Okay, exit from group and just edit and just paste in place. Okay, then now we can extend this one, or we can triple click and unselect these surfaces, right click and select weld edge. Okay, we can convert to polygon maybe. Okay, okay, and we can click and then we can extend. Okay, we can select the line in here on the position in here and on the position, and now we can make the curve. Okay, and select this one and select the follow me. Okay, and click, right click and make group. Now we can set up about the smoothness in here. Okay, and then now we can select the materials. Okay, we can assign about the materials just like this. Okay, just like this. Okay, thank you for watching, and just wait for my next tutorial. Thank you very much.